this video, we show you how to request a service history via the TecRMI Service Book. To identify the vehicle, the following information must be entered: the VIN number, the number plate, the date of first registration, and the HSN and TSN. In the next step, the appropriate vehicle type is selected using the intelligent vehicle search. The vehicle is then confirmed once again. Finally, it is possible to select whether a service history, bulletins and records, or both should be requested for a fee. With this final click, the data is sent to TecAlliance. Now, a service entry draft can be made based on the selected vehicle.